Hello, hi, welcome to By the Web channel. So today we're going to TaungWine here for a secret waterfall that nobody knows but we know. So today the weather I think is so hot. So we want like a cool and we were cold, so we would so we want to go like waterfall or something. Okay, so look at the view, it's like so beautiful. Okay, we come with friends, a lot of. It's so hard. Okay, oh my god, that it was so worth to look at the view. It's just the mountains, it's so natural. Okay, hi, waving, hello. Okay, hi, hello, two of us. Okay, waving all the time. Okay, showing direction. Wow. It's so beautiful. It's like kind of like small waterfall, but like it's so it's so natural. So none of us can't swim at all. Okay. Oh my god. Hamza, he take out his pants. Okay, taking some photos. Hi, waving all the time. Like celebrities. Oh my god, Hamza. Okay, look at Wayamin. Okay, love his face. Facial inspection. Obviously, he's the winner of Best Style. So he competed as a delegate for Best Style competition in Zoology Farewell in Mawlamyine University. Oh my god, voila. Oh yeah. Okay, meet Pio. He wants to show like six pack where he doesn't have. Okay, what are we doing here? Your hands are. Oh my gosh, it sounds. What I'm talking, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just talking like freely. No. Okay, wow, look at the top of the view. It's view of the Mawlamyine. It's it's so nice. Oh my gosh, the water. That short, I can't. It's so natural. Okay, we can't. We can't get down. Oh my god, me pure. Oh my god. Okay, oh my. But I can. Okay, let's back home. And the wing and the sky, it's so insane, like us. So I give thumbs up. Okay, thank you for watching our video. So see you next video.
Woke up in the morning light, mirror says I'm shining shining bright, chasing